Hi everybody, today we're going to go over a super simple Arduino tutorial on how to make an electronic dice rolling machine. To make the circuit, plug in the 7-segment display into the breadboard and attach wires to all the electronic leads. Plug the ground wires into ground, and the rest of the wires to any digital pins numbered 2 through 13. Additionally, put a resistor in series with ground to ensure that we don't fry our display. For the button, one wire goes to the digital pin and the other goes to ground. Now that the hardware is done, let's begin coding. The way the 7-segment display works is that each of these pins controls the light for only one part of the display, like this. As you can imagine, if we turn on different segments at the same time, we can create different numbers or this cool thinking animation. Without going line by line, the way the code works is like this. If I push the button, which is my input, play the thinking animation. And if I push the button again, display a random number from 1 to 6. It just loops in that simple fashion. I downloaded a library that had preset number configurations for a 7-segment display and integrated that in the code. The important thing here is that for this line, I mapped the pins I used on the Arduino and put them in these two arrays. Here, the order of the pins does matter. The pin connected to A goes first, then B, and so on and so forth, with DP coming last. Additionally, this number here must correspond to the pin that the button uses. But besides that, the code for this project is linked to the video description if you want to play around with it yourself. Now if we test our final design, if I push the button once, we get the thinking animation. And if I press it again, it displays a random number between 1 and 6. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, let me know in the video comments if I should make more tutorials like this, or if there are parts in which I should have gone more in depth, also let me know. Besides that, until next time.